happy. Look at my happy. Look at my happy. Sometimes I can't even make the bed because she's so like cozy and wrapped in it that I'm like, yes, it's an excuse to not make my bed, but I can't disrupt the peace. Aló? ¿Es listo? Vámonos. Yeah. As you can see, Grandma has a rooster obsession, and Dad also painted this, which is a favorite. I feel like I should put on my dad's cowboy hat. Let me do it. Because I don't have a cowgirl hat. So something to know about Grandpa. Grandpa had brain surgery at the end of 2022 and spent a year in the ICU fighting for his life. He had multiple strokes, and we actually didn't know it was a stroke. We really didn't know. And he still survived, even not after being treated directly after having a stroke. I don't know what it is about these old Cubans, dude, but they don't die. So, Grandpa has had to learn how to re-walk, talk, eat, all over again from scratch. At 82 years old. At 82 years old. I mean, literally everyone was like, he's not gonna make it, you know? Everyone was like, he's old, don't be surprised, whatever. And yet, his tenacity, he still make it. So I cry sometimes when I'm out here because I'm like, look at this. He's walking, he's feeding the animals. ¿Y cómo se limpian?
Sí.
Los animales.
Ellos solos se limpian. ¿Quién nos va a limpiar? ¿Tú no vas a bañar?
Sí, lo quiero bañar. ¿Qué comida está dando los animales?
Es arroz que sobra, el arroz cocinado. Okay.
Con todo, ¿ya?
La abuela echa, en lugar de echar una taza, echa 2 tazas, todos los días. Y hay una taza de arroz que se bota. Hay que botarla a la basura, se lo llamo los.
So my grandma always makes 2 cups of rice, as of lately, for a 1 cup rice cooker. So there's always extra rice and it doesn't get all the way cooked. And so we give it to the chickens. Yep.
Comen 2 veces al día.
I love it out here. So my dad also built this. My dad can build anything.
Ya dejé tu papá, vamos a hacer los picadillos. Para comernos el picadillo.
Get a close up of him saying
Porque
this.
no.
Dile otra vez, dile qué vamos a hacer.
Hacer picadillo con el pavo. Porque no están poniendo huevo.
It's like I'm very tempted to just like roll around in the mud. Or you know what? Why don't we shoot a music video in the mud that's like symbolic? Like I always imagine like a ball gown and then like laying in the mud and doing the whole thing. And I'm sure everyone's like, why do you want to do that? I'm like, it's art. It's symbolic. How you doing? Look at us with our Timbs. Look at us with our Timbs. I know, right? Walk gentle. Ay huevo. Oh, we got some eggies. This is Dad's favorite toy. The Polaris.
De terreno, todos los árboles es la propiedad.
Over there, we are growing corn and onions because Grandma loves corn.
Que firme la casetica donde dio casa de verano.
Oh, he wants to show you this. Enséñanos.
Sí, ¿verdad? El carpe, ¿verdad?
That's where he goes to hunt deer.
Y en los árboles hay tree stand.
So we have tree stands.
3 tree stand donde uno se sube en los árboles con arco y flecha.
So we have tree stands throughout because my dad and Grandpa
Caminar, como, vamos,
are bow
como
hunters.
¿Quieren caminar?
Yeah, vamos a caminar. Vamos a caminar. ¿Sí? Vamos.
Déjame coger el bastón.
And for everyone who thinks I'm such a girly girl that I don't walk in the mud, not true. Bitch on both. Yeah, I had a drink. Yeah, smoke. Yeah, you think I need you, but I don't. In the summertime, we are thriving. Grandpa's very proud of the garden.
¿Y habla español?
Ella no habla español. So, Grandpa's nickname is Huito. Eso es Huito Creek.
Míralo ahí.
¿Y qué dice?
Dice Huito Creek.
¿Y quién es Huito?
Cuando yo era pequeñito, que no hace tanto tiempo de eso, me decían Huito cuando era chiquito.
Oh. His nickname was Huito when he was little.
Vamos a ir allá.
Oh, he wants to keep going. He's so funny. He's like, you said you wanted to walk. Let's walk. I'm like, damn right. Fitness. Try to get him to walk every day. So this is good because, again, it's just a miracle that he can even walk right now.
Todo lo que está aquí de los árboles, todo, o sea, al final de los árboles, a todo el círculo allá es de la propiedad.
¿Para qué caminamos? Juntos.
Mira,
Melón,
melón,
calabaza,
calabaza,
maíz,
maíz,
cebolla,
cebolla, ajo, todo eso.
ajo.
También se
Oh,
va
we're
ahí.
growing garlic too. I love you. I love you so much.
La cuiva.
No me cuida. Y yo sé que soy tu favorita. You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. I'm the favorite.
Huito Macalacachimba.
Okay, so dile, me llamo.
Me llamo Huito Macalacachimba.